Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the wheel strategy and how I've changed things around a little bit. If you're new, you are always welcome. If you're not new, always welcome back as well. Appreciate you for coming back to check out the video. You are awesome. You're the best. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to look over the wheel strategy. And what we're going to do is we are going to talk about things that have changed around, what I'm doing now, and how much I'm making. And I feel like this is going to be, in a way, to try to do something a little bit more realistic for most people when it comes to the wheel strategy. So before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I always say this, I'm not a financial advisor. On this channel, I don't give financial advice. All I do is share with you what I'm doing with my money. And if you want to do that with yours, that is up to you. Don't sue me. I'm not a financial advisor. In today's video, we are going to get right into the Robinhood portfolio. We're going to get right into it. And what we're going to do is we are going to talk about things that have been going on and why I've been switching things around. So first thing first, if you look at the very top here, we have a balance of $5,769. Okay, so the reason why we have this balance is that I recently moved $5,000 into my day trading account because I want to start day trading again with that money. So at the same time, I thought, okay, how can I try to trade this account in a way that I can grow it over time with a smaller account and share that with you guys. So that's the point of today's video. I've shown some videos on how much you can realistically make when you're trading the wheel strategy on a $10,000 account. Now I brought it down to about 5,000, and we'll see how much we can make doing that. So what we have right here, we have a couple of trades, and the only real strategy trade that I have is the AMC 30 puts. That is basically me saying I'm willing to buy AMC's shares at $30. Not that I want to buy AMC shares at $30. I'm willing to buy it. So before the stock price gets to it, I can always get out of the trade. So let's look at the current situation with AMC. So right now AMC is at $33.50, and basically what I'm trying to say here is I'm willing to buy the stock at that price. All right, that's basically what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so what I'm saying with this contract is that I'm willing to buy the stock at $30. Okay, when I did this contract, if I go to 1 week here, you can see that the contract has gone down a bit. That's because AMC price has gone up. And then because of theta, because of time decay, the option price, when it goes down in value, because it does have an expiration date, when it goes down in value, when it gets close to the expiration date, the option price goes down in value. So theta works in my favor when I'm doing the wheel strategy. Okay. So for this trade, I got a credit of $129. That is the credit that I got for this particular trade, and this is the only wheel strategy trade that I have to share with you guys today. And what I have, the space trade, that one is just a regular. I'm just buying calls. Let's share that with you guys for a bit. Oh, that's AMC. Let's look at space here. So space, I'm just buying calls, and you see I'm down $7 on that. And with this AMC, I'm betting that AMC will be at $1 by the end of January 2023. And it's down massively right now because AMC has been going up. But to be honest, options is far out. I'm learning that the pricing is not so accurate. So even when AMC was going down, like, it actually didn't go up at all. The gains didn't go up. So we'll see. I'll wait to see how it goes, and we'll go from there. Maybe in the future I'll decide to get out of it. I don't know yet, but for now I'll wait to see how this goes. So that is pretty much it for today's wheel strategy trade. It really isn't much. I made $129, like I said to you guys right there. $129. That is the only new income that I brought in this week. And This is the trade right here. And I'm hoping that by the end of this trade, you know, AMC does not get to $30, so I can collect the whole entire 129. And that's what I'll be doing slowly but surely to grow this account over time. So stay tuned and subscribe if you like what I do here. So I urge you to go check out the previous video that I recommend. I'm gonna put it right here again so you can see it. Go watch that video. The video basically talks about why I'm doing what I'm doing. This is basically part of my investment plan for the year to be able to move money around from one place to the other, do different strategies. And the main thing that I do in the markets is that I focus on long-term investing. That's my number one thing. It's my number one thing that I do in the market. I focus on long-term investing. Investing for the long term is what it is, long-term. So you have to just constantly put money in. That money earns you more money. Then you put it in. It earns you more money. Then you put it in. Then the next thing that I'm looking to do is, with my overall portfolio, just take a little bit of it out. What I mean by overall portfolio: option, crypto, real estate, whatever it is. I'm just choosing to take a little bit of it out and use it to do something a little bit more risky. It's a little bit more risky. It's high risk, high reward when you day trade. I'm looking to put all the things that I've learned, continue putting it to work and sticking with it. I have my limits that I'm working with, so willing to put all that stuff to work and then see how it goes, you know. So what I'm basically trying to say is that September coming is the next tranche of my investment plan for the year, and I'm looking to work with it and work towards it, and we'll see what happens by December. Maybe this day trading thing would help bump my account, take my account up to the next level. Who knows? But one thing that is guaranteed is you guys on this channel, you're going to hear the good and bad, regardless of what happened. So subscribe if you want to see how my financial journey is going. I appreciate you for that. Until next time, I'll see you later. Love you all. Bye.